How to find rapid growth notification settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find rapid growth notification settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then click these three lines in the top corner and now click settings. Here you will find this notifications. Click on it and go down until you find level notifications, and here you will find it like that. All you need to do is just click on it, one click, and then go back. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.